president of Cerveza Garage Doors, located here in beautiful Baja Arcadia. Because of the recent slowdown in housing, we have a shortage of customers, and that's why I come to you. Now take a door like this. This adds no value whatsoever to your home. But if you buy from my company today, I am offering doors at blowout prices. You can get a new garage door for my regular list price of $5.99. But wait, if you act now, I'll throw in free weather stripping, free garage door, free haul away, and if you don't buy your door from me, you're throwing your money away.